take a sip for, you know, most of this thirsty tricks that's out here. Today I'm doing a video on why do hoes get ratchet? Like, the fuck? Y'all bitches nowadays, when y'all fucking snap, y'all go full snapping turtle mode. We talking about if my finger creeps, you know, on the underside of your titty, and I just move it like this and snap at me. Bitch, this ain't fucking Teenage Mutant snapping fucking turtles. You know, most of y'all bitches out there, y'all snap for no apparent reason whatsoever, or y'all snap just because you feel like snapping. But that's not the case. You shouldn't have to snap for no reason whatsoever. You know, and it's not even just bitches, you know, it's people in general. People get so fucking pissed off and shit that y'all just start snapping out of nowhere. You get upset and everything, and you just decide to go full on rage mode on people when you just start snapping out the blue. That's not what you're supposed to do. You don't snap on niggas. Niggas don't want to be snapping on you, and you don't want to be snapping on them. What the fuck is wrong with you? Bitches nowadays need to stop fucking snapping, man. Like, shit like that cause you to have a fucking heart attack, you know, get some cancer or some shit, and niggas gonna be saying, oh, why the fuck you got cancer? You gonna be like, oh, cause I snapped on the bitch. Like, what the fuck? So, you know, just by all means, just don't snap. Otherwise, you're gonna end up like this bitch.
Do something. Do something. I don't give a fuck. What you gonna do? What the fuck are you gonna do? What the fuck are you gonna do? I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. What are you gonna do? I don't give a fuck. Why you still standing in front of my face? What are you gonna do? I'm not gonna do shit. Get on my face. I'm not gonna fucking hit you, yo. Oh my, I'm not gonna fucking hit you, yo. Get out my face, yo. I'm not gonna fucking hit you. Get the fuck out my face, yo. Get somebody to fuck you up. Ain't nobody get somebody to fuck me up. I ain't gonna fucking hit you. Get somebody to fucking fuck me up, yo. Get somebody to fuck me up. I'm not gonna fucking hit you, yo. Oh my God. Get the fuck out my face, yo. No, get the fuck out my face. Why the fuck is you in my face? I don't give a fuck. Then get the fuck out my face. Please. Don't give a fuck. Oh my God, yo, get the fuck out my face. I don't give a fuck. I'm gonna fuck about stuttering nothing. I'm gonna fuck about none of that shit you talking about. Oh, you keep saying no. What the fuck you gonna do? Nothing. So shut the fuck up, bitch.
Hey.
Go ahead. Bitch. Yeah, there you go.
And that's real. You don't want to end up like that bitch. You don't know why? Snapping. Not just anything, but just snapping in general. Yep. That's the shit that I don't like.